As one of the few browsers still supporting ad blocker, Firefox is in my opinion the best browser at the moment. Are you already using it or planning to use it, and do you want your Firefox to go from this to this? Check the video and follow the steps. Right off the bat, Firefox comes installed with this homepage and of course in light mode. That is a setting we want to change immediately. Dark mode is easier on the eyes and of course way cleaner to look at. So what you want to do is head over to settings, scroll down and click on dark mode. It's as easy as that and better on the eyes. The only thing is that the top bar stays in light mode, but we will fix that right now. If you again click on settings, extensions and themes, it'll show you that Firefox has the option to change themes. And I will look here for a theme that has matte black because that finishes the look of the layout for me. Here you can choose whichever theme you like. As you see, the matte black with red is more popular, but I would like it to be all black. Download and install that theme and you will see now that the top bar is matte black as well, finishing the layout. What we would like to do now is downloading and installing Momentum. Momentum will transform your Firefox landing page into a visually beautiful landing page and the option to improve productivity. After installing, allow it to run in private windows also, if you'd like, and pin it to the extension bar. You will be immediately greeted with a nice background. Accept the necessities and enter your name. You can log in and connect your personal account, but I chose not to. You will see this introduction pop up, which you can close. On the main page, you will see a place to enter your goal for today. After having entered your goal, in the top right you will see the weather. In the top left you can bookmark a link like the original Firefox landing page. Let's say we want to bookmark dictionary.com. We give it a title, insert the link and click on add. It will now always show up on the landing page. When you look to the bottom right, you have the option to add tasks you want to get done for today. This is especially handy with the focus mode I'll activate right now. Next to the links we have focus mode. Click on that and it will give you a motivational quote to get you started. After the quote, you'll get a pop-up for the first time which you can close. You'll see a timer that starts at 25 minutes. Your tasks will pop up in the bottom right and you can also connect your calendar in case you want to have another overview. You hear rainfall in the background to help you focus. You can adjust the volume if it's too loud. You also have an option to block sites and the option to take a break. The timer of the break is automatically set to 5 minutes. When your break is done, you can go back to focus mode. Click on the 3 dots to adjust the timer and add time to either the focus or break mode. Once you're done, you can click on the stop button up top to quit out of the focus mode. You will again be greeted with a motivational quote. Momentum is a great tool, but keep in mind that it can sometimes feel heavy. Okay, next we would want to download the best tool Firefox has to offer, uBlock Origin. uBlock has been removed from Chrome and Edge and made a lot of people jump over to Firefox. uBlock blocks advertisements on websites or videos, so make sure you also activate it in private mode. Be sure to pin it to the toolbar, because some websites ask you to turn it off for the site to function properly. Another great extension is the Consent-O-Matic, a tool that accepts the cookie forms from you automatically on websites. I do a lot of private browsing if I don't want something to get stuck in my algorithm, and every time I open a private window I have to accept the cookies. This tool does that automatically for you. After you add it to Firefox, you can fill out your preferences of things you'd like to accept and also how it's displayed, whether you want to hide it or minimize it. As you will see now when we visit youtube.com in a private window, the cookie form will show up but will be auto-filled. Great, isn't it? The next extension I will show you is Sponsor Block. After installing, you can fill out your own preferences. Sponsor Block will auto-skip a sponsored segment in a video. You're of course free to listen to sponsored segments and watch ads to support creators. This will only simply give you the choice to turn it on or off. Here you'll see a screenshot of a YouTube video, and in that video there's a green bar indicating the sponsored segment. If the playback bar reaches that segment, Sponsor Block will auto-skip that. The final tool I will show you is the search by image extension. The name basically says it all. Pin it to your top bar, because imagine you're watching a show and see an actor you recognize but can't place. To showcase it to you, I'll search for an image of a strawberry. You can also see the Consent-O-Matic doing its job. Once found, I'll click on the search by image icon, select Google Lens and capture the image. Next, I'll click on search. You can see that Google will search for images that are related to your image, basically doing a reverse image search. I think that's a very handy tool. As a matter of fact, I think that all of the tools shown can be of use. And if you like what has been shown to you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. See you on the next one.